Okay, I've got a small idea that can really help you. It's about something we all do, or something we all want to do, especially when we travel.
Oh, yeah? I like helpful ideas. What is it?
It's ordering food, in a restaurant or a cafe. I think it can be a little scary for new English learners.
That is a perfect topic. Absolutely perfect because it's so practical and you use it all the time. I'm really excited to talk about this.
Great! For everyone listening, subscribe for a short English conversation every day. Okay, Victor. So, where do we start? We walk into the restaurant, then what?
Okay, right. The first step, you need a table. You walk in, you see a person, the host, and you smile and say how many people are in your group.
Mm-hmm.
So if it's just you and a friend, you can say, a table for two, please. It's that simple. Or, hi, a table for four, please.
A table for two, please? Okay, that's easy. But, what if the restaurant is really busy, full?
Right, good question. The host might say something like, there will be a 20-minute wait, or it's about a 30-minute wait.
Oh, wait, so I just have to, stand there?
Well, you can. Or you can ask, can we wait at the bar? Sometimes they will take your name and they call you when your table is ready.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. So we wait, they call my name, Serena, your table is ready, and we sit down. What's next?
Okay, you're at the table. The next thing is usually drinks. The server, that's the person who takes your order, will come and ask, can I get you something to drink?
Right, the server. And what if I don't know what I want to drink yet? Or I just, want water?
Totally normal. You can say, just water for now, please. Or if you need more time, you can say, we need a minute, please. It's very polite.
We need a minute, please. I like that. It's simple. Okay, so we have water. Now, the menu. How do I ask for that if they don't give it to us?
Could we have the menus, please? Or even just, can we see a menu? The word could is a little more formal, a little more polite, but can is totally fine.
Okay, could we have the menus, please? Got it. So we look at the menu, and then the server comes back. This is the important part, right? The actual ordering.
This is the main event. The server might say, are you ready to order?
Mm-hmm.
And if you are ready, the easiest way to order is to say, I'll have the, and then say the name of the dish. For example, I'll have the chicken tosta.
I'll have the. Okay, that's short for I will have, right?
Exactly. It's a contraction. Very common, very natural. You can also say, I would like the, for example, I would like the steak. Both are perfect.
But, what if I see two things and I can't decide? Can I ask the server for help?
Yes, absolutely. That's a great thing to do. You can ask, what do you recommend? Or what's the special today? The special is a dish that is not on the regular menu.
Oh, the special. Okay, so maybe the server recommends the fish? I can say, okay, I'll have the fish.
Perfect. And sometimes the server will ask you a question after you order. For example, if you order a steak, they will ask, how would you like that cooked?
Oh, right, like rare, medium, well done?
Exactly. Or if you order a salad, they might ask, what kind of dressing would you like? So you just listen for a question after you order.
Okay, this is really, really helpful. But sometimes things go wrong. What if my food arrives and it's cold or it's not what I ordered? That feels very awkward.
It can feel awkward, but it's okay to say something. The key is to be polite. You get the server's attention by saying, "Excuse me."
Excuse me.
Then you can say, "I'm sorry, but my soup is cold." Or, "Excuse me, I ordered the chicken, but this is fish." Using "I'm sorry, but" makes it sound very soft and polite.
I'm sorry, but okay, that's a great tip. And what about allergies? Like if someone can't eat nuts or something. That's really important.
Very important. When you order, you should tell the server. You can say, "I have a nut allergy. Does this dish have nuts?" Or, "Just to let you know, I am allergic to shellfish." It's always better to say it directly.
Wow, okay, that's super clear. So we've ordered, we've eaten, the food was great, now we're full and happy. What's the last step?
The final boss, paying the bill. In the US, it's often called the check. In the UK, it's the bill. Both are understood.
Bill? Check. Okay, how do I ask for it? I don't want to shout.
No, you just make eye contact with the server and you can say, "Could we have the bill, please?" Or when they come to take your empty plates, you can say, "We'll just have the check, please."
Right, okay, and then they bring it. What about, paying? With a card or with cash?
When they bring the bill, you just put your credit card in the little book or on the tray. If you want to use cash, you do the same. If you are not sure if they accept cards, you can ask, "Do you take credit cards?"
Okay, one last question. The tip. I hear about this a lot in American movies. What is it?
Right. The tip or gratuity is extra money you leave for the server for their good service. In the United States, it's very common, usually around 15 to 20% of the bill.
Okay, so you add a little extra money. If I paid with cash and the bill is $45, I can give them 50 and say, uh, what do I say?
Keep the change. That tells them the extra money is their tip. It's a very nice, friendly thing to say.
Wow. Okay. So let me see if I remember. We ask for a table, then we get the menu and order drinks, then we order our food using I'll have.
Right.
We are polite if there's a problem, and at the end we ask for the bill and we leave a tip. It it actually sounds much less scary now.
It's totally manageable, and the most important phrase in any language is a smile and thank you. People are always happy to help. The biggest thing is just to try.
That's really great advice, Victor. Thank you so much. This was incredibly helpful.
Anytime, Serena. It was fun.
We post a new episode every day, so subscribe and practice with us. And to everyone listening, thanks for joining us on the Serena English Podcast.
See you next time. Bye.